After spending a little bit of time down in Pattaya, we decided to head inland and back up to Bangkok, where we spent a couple of weeks walking around, checking out some of the city sights. And in this video, we did a little walk by in front of some of the apartment rentals, as well enjoying some of the local cuisine. So, enjoy. There are literally thousands of places to stay here in Bangkok. We typically are staying north of Lake Ratchada. You can see here in the map. And right off of the Asuk or the Nana BTS line, which is their subway. It's super convenient and you don't have to rely on a rental car to get around. The mass transit here in Bangkok can get you pretty much anywhere. So definitely want to look around in that particular area where we've got the blue box. And everywhere we go, even in Bangkok, we run into the Philippine Embassy. Look at that. Even miles away. We're never that far from home, huh? Advertising all the Philippine destinations here on the embassy wall outside. Oh, you can get to practice your Tagalog. Tanghali na. Good looking embassy too. Oh. And in case you ever make a run to the embassy, it is right here in downtown Bangkok. Downtown Bangkok, super clean, really nice. It's a Sunday, so I'm guessing a lot of stuff looks closed. Very clean. And even Thailand has their version of table spaghetti. It doesn't matter where we go, we always seem to be able to find a shopping plaza. Not that my wife is a shopaholic, mind you, but she's always looking for a bargain. And Bangkok's a good spot to look for a bargain. Me, I'll just sit on my butt and just watch her walking around. Yep. Some of the older condos down here look very nice. A lot of high-rises above there, so yeah, I guess if we were actually to come back to Thailand and stay, we'd probably wind up staying here in Bangkok. It's very nice. Definitely has a Western feel to it. Another one over here with all the plants. Very green. I just noticed the bill looks like the building is leaning. I guess that's one we want to stay at in the future. And after walking around and looking at the fronts of a lot of these condos here in Bangkok, we decided to stop in and get a little Japanese food here at a nice little Japanese restaurant. Always fun sitting in Asia wearing a t-shirt and shorts while watching someone else in Europe dig their way through snow. Storms are coming. Seems like the crows know it too. It's supposed to be Crow Park. Wow. Oh, look at them all. You want to walk up this way?
Okay, where is it?
It's in that direction, okay? You'll notice that respect for the Thai royal family is very important in Thai culture. Well, it's another day completed, folks. Hope you enjoyed the little walkabout. And as I sit out here looking at the Bangkok night skyline, want to wish you all a mabuhay, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.